In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to structure your Slack channels. Keeping your Slack sidebar organized saves time, reduces noise, and helps everyone find conversations quickly. We'll create a new section and then move channels into it, using only the built-in options right inside Slack. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search page. Type Slack, press Enter, and open the official Slack site. If you're not already in your workspace, sign in so you can see the Slack client. You can follow along in the web app or the desktop app. The menus and labels we'll use are the same. Once Slack is open, look at the left sidebar where channels are listed. Next to the channel's header, there's a small icon with 3 dots. Click that to open the menu that controls how your channels are organized. From this menu, choose Create, and then select Create Section. Sections let you group related channels under a single, collapsible header, making the list shorter and easier to scan. You'll be prompted to name the section. Choose a short, descriptive title that matches how your team works. Think projects, team design, support, or announcements. Aim for consistency so everyone understands where things belong. If your team uses them, a small emoji can make a section stand out visually, but keep it simple. When you've entered the name, click Create to save it. You should now see the new section appear in your sidebar. Now, let's move channels into that section. Go back to the Channels area and click the same 3-dot menu again. Select Manage to open the organization options, then click Edit All Sections. This view is designed for tidy bulk moves, so you can select multiple channels at once without dragging them one by one. Scroll through your channel list and check the box next to each channel you want to group. Think in terms of purpose. Put project channels with projects, team spaces with teams, and keep general or announcement channels separate so they're easy to find. When you've selected the channels, click Move to, and choose the section you just created. To apply the changes, confirm by clicking the green check. Your selected channels will now sit neatly under the new section. Take a moment to review the sidebar. If something feels crowded, you can repeat the same steps to fine-tune. Keep sections focused, avoid overly generic names, and periodically review what's actually used. Retiring or archiving inactive channels keeps everything lean and navigable. And that's it. You've created a custom section and organized your channels, giving your team a cleaner, faster Slack experience.